Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to put memory into a gaming computer. It's very easy to do, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. The first thing to do, you want to make sure you have remove any static electricity that you may have on you. I like to touch the metal portion of a hammer, just like this, before you begin to put the memory into the computer. You also want to make sure that the memory is compatible with your motherboard, and the easiest way to do that is to check your motherboard manual, and you'll also notice that there is a notch in the memory module right here, and that needs to correspond to the one inside your motherboard right here for each of these slots. Another important thing to note is you never want to touch the gold leads here on the bottom of the memory module. Always handle it up top like this. And to install the module, you simply slide these little clips out, see, just like that, and then you want to put the notch right down on top of the module, just like so, and it should slide right down. And then the final part, you want to push firmly straight down until the notches snap into place, like so, and you kind of clip those guys in. And that's pretty much all there really is to it.